Yeah, what's up, YouTube? So I got another wheel swap video for you guys. I just love to wheel swap now because I take a look at all the castings I have and I just look at the wheels and I just visualize what these other rims would look like on them. So I chose this one today. I was going through the box and I looked at these hideous wheels, man. These wheels just make this car awful. Like horribly awful. Like it's a nice casting, but those wheels just do it no justice, man. So I'm gonna swap these. I'm gonna try some. Let me show you. I got some gold ones here. Try the gold first, right there. Ba-bam, ba-boom. And I'll try the chrome ones. So we'll see how that looks. Let's get this bad boy out of the card. Alright, Flying Customs. Cool. Okay, so let's get this bad boy out of this cardboard. Alright. See, open it nicely. No X-Acto needed, just used my nail and finger. Look at that. Instead of ripping the damn box the way I usually do. That's nice. Look, I can reuse the box now. See? Cool. Look at that. Awesome. Alright, so there's the Nissan 180SX right there out of the box. Look at that. That's some sweet paint, man. Look at that. Cool. Very nice. Not feeling this though. I don't know what this is for. That's ugly, man. I don't know how to rub this off though. I've seen a video where a guy like rubbed something on it. I don't know what, some kind of, I forget what it's called, but you rub it on, you just wipe it off, it comes right off. Maybe I'll do that in the future, but I don't have that pen here, so I'll just focus on the wheel swap today. Let's do this. Don't waste nobody's time. I don't like making videos where people have to click through the video like a lot of people do, so let's get to this. Okay, so just a reminder, when you're drilling, that just tells you you're done. You just get the ring right there. Ba-boom, ba-bam. Just a friendly reminder. The front's done. Look at that nice, clean drill job. Sweet. Okay, let's do the rear. Dun-dun, ta-da! Here we go. This 180SX is gonna look tough, bro. Sure. Nice. That purple is beautiful. Sweet. I would switch the rear and the front. Oh, this will be a nice custom job here. Look at that. You can put a license plate there, license plate sticker there. Color the tail lights red. I don't have the paint brushes and stuff, but that would be a nice little touch up. Nice little customization job. Cool. I don't know why they did this 180SX like that with those. Where the hell are those ugly wheels at? There they are. Man, those are ugly, man. Sheesh. They just care about money. They don't care about... Well, they do care, but you have to pay a premium price for cars with premium wheel riders, right? So they just slap on these ugly... These are just as bad as these disc wheels, man. Frisbee wheels. I'll call these Frisbee wheels from now on. Huh? Okay, let's get these suckers off. Get out of here. Garbage can you go. Get out of here. Would never swap. I'd never use that again. Pretty much garbage. Okay, let's go with the silver ones. These ones first. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, there's the wheels on it. As you can see, it makes a huge difference already. Let me bring that close up to you. Look at that. Ba bam, ba boom, ba bam. Anything's an upgrade over those wheels that came with the car. Look at that. Ba bam, ba boom, ba bam. Oh man, I love it. So nice. So let's get the gold ones on. See what that looks like. Stay tuned. You guys want to see the gold wheels? Here it is. Look at that. Bam. Wow. I knew the gold was going to look a lot better. Look at that. Sweet. Damn, now it looks like a real nice car now. Damn, look at that. Offset. Okay. Voila. 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 Like a rock. It looks so much better. Oh. The gold does it justice for sure. I'm not feeling those silver ones. Gold is a lot better. Bam. Woo. Awesome, awesome.